Hello sir, my name is Santosh. My registration number is UR156S140. In this video I am going to explain about exercise 5 in database systems lab, that is joins. So in this video I am supposed to complete all these 15 questions which are given here. So first I have to create this table. So I have already did all those queries and this is my school file. So here you can see first I created table manager 148 with e-name, employee name and city as columns, and here I inserted values into the table manager 148. So here you can see I inserted the employee name, name, city, like that I inserted 7 entries here. And here you can see the table. Here I inserted all 7 entries which are given here. And so my first question is write a query to display the name, living city and salary of employee using natural join. So here you can see select manager 148.ename, manager 148.city, employee 148.salary from manager 148, inner join employee company 148 and managers 148.ename is equal to employee company 148.ename. So this query will give the details of ename, city and salary. And the second one is write a query to display the name, living city and salary of employee using cross join. So in second query I am supposed to use cross join. So here you can see select manager 148.ename, manager 148.city, employee 148.salary from manager 148 cross join employee company 148. So this will give all the details of employee company, city and salary if we use cross join. So you can see all these details here. So my third question is write a SQL statement to make a Cartesian product between manager name and employee name. So here you can see select manager 148.ename, employee 148.ename from manager 148 cross join employee 148. So this will give the cross product between employee name and manager name. So here you can see. So my next question is display the employee name, manager name and salary of the employees whose salary is greater than 3,000. So here you can see select manager 148.ename, manager 148.city, employee 148.salary from manager 148 inner join employee company 148 on manager 148.ename is equal to employee company 148.ename base salary. So this is the condition here. If you want to get employees who are above salary greater than 3,000, we are supposed to write this here. So you can see the details of the employees whose salary is greater than 3,000. So the next question is display the employee name. Write a SQL statement to prepare a list with employee names who live and work in the same city. So this is the query here. Select employee 148.ename from employee 148 inner join employee 148 employee company 148 and employee 148.ename is equal to company employee company 148.ename inner join company 148 and employee 148.city is equal to company 148.city. So this will give the employee name who are living in who are working in same city. So these are all the names you can see here. That is 10 rows selected. So the next question is write a SQL statement to make a list with employee name who live in the city Chennai and whose salary is between 15,000 and 10,000. So this is the query here. Select manager 148.ename from manager 148 employee company 148 where employee company 148.salary between 15,000 and 10,000. So this will give the employee's name who is having salary between 15,000 and 10,000 and manager 148.city equal Chennai, and this will give the details who are living in city Chennai and having salary between 15,000 and 10,000. So here you can see names here. That is displayed all names here. That is 7 rows selected. So my next question is display the names of the employees, company name and salary of the employees who are not assigned in any living city. So these are all the details here. Employee select employee company 148 ename employee company 148 dot cname employee company 148 dot salary from employee company 148, employee 148 where employee company 148 dot ename is not equal to employee 148 dot ename. So this will give details of the employee name who are not assigned to any city. That means they are assigned only to that company. So we'll see the next question. Display the employee name, manager name and shift of all employees. Use left outer join. So here you can see this is the query. Select manager 148.ename employee shift 148.shift from manager 148. So here I use left outer join as they asked me in question. Left outer join employee shift 148 on manager 148.ename is equal to employee shift 148.ename. So this will give employee name and particular shift. So my next question is display cities of employees in which a company is not located. Use right outer join. So this is the query. Select 148.city employee 148.city from employee 148 right outer join. So here I use right outer join. You can see here company 148 and employee 148.city not equal to company 148.city. So you can see all these cities here. So my next question is display cities of employees in which display the employee name, manager name and shift of employees using full outer join. So this is my query here. Select manager 148.ename, manager 148.mname, employee shift 148.shift from manager 148. So here I will full outer join. Employee shift 148 on manager 148.ename is called employee shift 148.ename. This will give the details of employee name, manager name and shift of that particular employee. So my next question is display the employee name, manager name and shift of the employees using natural join. So here you can see select ename, shift, mname from manager 148, natural join, employee shift 148. So here I use natural join to display the employee name, shift name and manager name. The next question is display the employee name and cities of the employees who are assigned a manager and living in the same city as that of manager. Use inner join. So here you can see the query. Select employee 148.ename from ename, employee 148.city from employee 148 inner join. So here I use inner join. Manager 148 on employee 148.ename is equal to manager 148.mname. So this will give the employee name and city who are assigned to that particular employee and who are working in the same city where where manager is living. So the next question is display the ascending list of customers who are either assigned a manager or not. So here you can see select customer 148.cname from customer 148 left outer join manager 148 on customer 148.cname is equal to manager 148.mname ordered by cname. So this will give the customer name who are assigned to the employee or not. So my last question is make use of the depositor and customer table in the previous exercise to list all the customer names and the amount of depositors living in the same city where either Anil or Sunil is living. So this is the query. Select deposit 148.cname, deposit 148.amount from customer 148 inner join, deposit 148 on customer 148.cname is equal to Anil or customer 148.cname is equal to Sunil. So this will give all the customer names and deposit amount where Anil and Sunil are residing. Thanks for watching.